Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Alyssa and I'm so glad you are here. I just got back from doing my weekly grocery shopping, so I thought I would do a quick video and show you what I got as I put everything away. So normally I go grocery shopping once a week on Saturday mornings. I hit Trader Joe's and then Whole Foods, they're on the same street, and then on my way home I hit Costco. I didn't need to go to Costco today. I could have gone for like one or two things. I usually go and get like a big thing of oatmeal and coffee, lettuce, celery, things like that. But the only thing I really needed today was lettuce, so I got that at Trader Joe's. So I didn't hit Costco. So all I have today are the things from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. So let me start with frozen foods, because I, for one, am one of those paranoid people that is like, if you don't get frozen stuff in the freezer right away, everything will go to crap. So let's do frozen things first. Most of my frozen stuff I got at Whole Foods. So veggies. So I got this bag of Mediterranean blend veggies. I like to use it in like a stir fry for like an Asian type night, with some tofu and some peanut sauce. I used to get a more Asian type blend, but my husband prefers this one, so I started buying this one instead. And I also got some peas and carrots for like on the side of a lot of things. I like to also mix them with some cauliflower rice and a little garlic and salt for on the side of other dishes. So let me put those away. I also got these protein waffles. They are super delicious, and I have one probably 3 or 4 times a week. I have 2 on a refeed day. They have 10 grams of plant-based protein per 2 waffles, which is pretty cool. And the last frozen thing I got from Whole Foods are these little tiny ice creams. They're super cute, dairy-free from Cool House. This company, I used to have their ice cream sandwiches, which are like calorie bombs, but they're really good. And then they came out with these little tiny ice creams, which is perfect little serving size. So I got one of each flavor. This is the Cookie Dough Life and the Best of Both Worlds Vanilla. Very tasty, helps with portion control. And then I have everything down here. I live in a little apartment right now, and we have this super convenient little cart thing. So I have everything in the cart right here, which is very convenient. Let me see if I can find the one frozen thing that I got from Trader Joe's. I think it's not going to be that easy. So let me just go on with what I got. I got a Miyoko's Creamery Butter, which we really like. I used to get Earth Balance, but now I get Miyoko's. It's not going to fit up there. Everything in this apartment, if you watch my last What I Eat in a Day video, everything in this apartment is very small, including the fridge. Vegan staple hummus. And here's the other frozen thing. Perfect, from Trader Joe's. These spring rolls are delicious. So on that Asian night that I was telling you about with the vegetables and the tofu and the peanut sauce, which is this one, delicious. We also have spring rolls on the side. And that is it for the frozen food for today, which is highly unusual, but you gotta get what you need and nothing more, because otherwise it gets out of control. All right, so on to veggies. I got 3 packages of romaine because I will eat an entire head of romaine for salad, and so will my husband for lunch. So 3, 6, 9, and then he can have something that's not a salad on one of the days. Like I said, normally I will get them from Costco because you can get like the giant 6 package bag or 6 lettuce package, and we would get 2 of those, but I didn't go to Costco, so I got 3 bags, 3 heads each, so 3, 6, 9 heads of lettuce. I got the power greens. I like to have some of these each morning with my breakfast. And I also got cruciferous crunch. My husband likes to mix that with his salad for lunch. Ooh, fridge is like breaking. I got 2 packages of Brussels sprouts. I like to have those on the side as a vegetable for dinner. And 2 packages of broccoli. I'll add some broccoli to that Asian frozen mix, so there's a little bit more variety. And also have broccoli like in with my pasta or as a side to dinner if we're having like my vegan steaks or something like that. So broccoli is always a staple purchase. I got 2 English cucumbers. I like them because they don't have as much seeds, and I will use them in my salads every day. And also I started making like sushi bowls. Instead of wrapped up sushi, it's just a little bit more convenient and easier. And so I will julienne up some cucumber and put it there. And carrots and scallions, same thing. Carrots we can dip in hummus, have in salads, have in the Asian night. Love carrots and scallions, all the same things. I do normally have celery too in my salad, and I usually get that from Costco, but I got it from Costco last week and I probably got like 2 packages, so we didn't need it again this week. I got 2 packages of zucchini. I use zucchini every day in my ice cream snack in the afternoon. I was buying them pre-julienned and frozen from Costco for a while, but then I was like, you know what, I can freeze them myself. So each morning I started using a leftover Talenti ice cream. This is the dairy-free sorbetto peanut butter fudge. Very good. And also you can reuse the container. So I just refreeze zucchini in it every morning. Is mad at me for being open for so long. Trader Joe's has these really great salad dressings. This is a new one, vegan Caesar. They also have a tahini one, not tahini. Gosh, I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember, but it's really good. This one, carrot miso. I don't know if you can see that because it's like almost gone. There we go. Carrot miso. It's another really good one. And I really like them on a salads. My husband has them more often than I do. I make my own dressing. And then cauliflower rice has also recently become a staple. Like I said, I mix it with the peas and the carrots. And on sushi night, you can have cauliflower rice in there. So yeah, I got 2 bags. And I think, tofu, staple in a high protein vegan diet. I got 2 of the Trader Joe's sriracha baked tofu, and 2 of their high protein tofus, which actually require a lot less pressing, and they're very dense, and I really like the texture. So I got 2 of those. I don't think we're gonna need 2 of these for the week, but I got 2 and they last long, so it doesn't really matter. I won't have to buy it again next week. I think that is it for things that go in the refrigerator, which is good because the refrigerator is getting mad at me. Okay, also from Whole Foods, I got more of this Catalina Crunch Keto cereal. Although it's plant-based, it's got extra 10 grams of protein per serving, which is a really small serving, but I got this because it's delicious. Even though it is a little pricey, it lasts a long time. And I got some coconut aminos, which is good for dipping sushi in. And also it's similar to soy sauce, but it has 73% less sodium, and it's soy free. Not that I'm soy free, I just put tofu in the fridge, but you know. But I use this to make the vegan steaks that my family is obsessed with right now. And I'm gonna make some more of this afternoon, which is unfortunate because it was arm day at the gym today, and it takes some muscle to make the vegan steaks, but we're gonna power through because that is what we're having for dinner tonight. Also, to make the vegan steaks, tomato paste, and I got these red lentil pasta. This is like my favorite pasta made from beans. There's like a black bean one, there's edamame ones and chickpea ones. This is my favorite from Trader Joe's. The texture is just really great, and it's high protein, and I love it. I got tortillas. This is another thing I would get at Costco. They have a big bag of like whole wheat tortillas from La Tortilla Factory. But since I wasn't going there, and we have been having taco night a couple of times a week, I got tortillas from Trader Joe's. I got these little tomatoes, super sweet. I got them the first time I got them, it was because they were out of the other ones that I really liked, and I was like, well, I'll just try these. They say sweet cherry tomatoes on the vine, but you know, a lot of times you get cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes from the store and they taste like nothing. But these were delicious, so I have been buying these ever since. Bananas, staple. Oh, this is not food, but we needed hand soap, so this is a really nice smelling hand soap that we like, and it's a cute little bottle. And then my Trader Joe's didn't have the plastic bags, I mean, which is fine, but now it's like a mystery, like what's in the bag? This is a bag of apples, also a staple. My husband will take an apple every day with him to work. So that's a bag of apples for him. What is this? Oh, I got a couple of limes. I've been having lime lately in my water or sparkling water, which kind of makes it feel a little fancy. And also we sprinkled it on our tacos the other night and it was really good. So I got a couple of limes. Potatoes for vegan steak night. You have vegan steak with a potato and broccoli, and put some Miyoko's butter, and it's an amazing dinner. And finally, I got, for taco night and also for Asian sushi night, avocados. These are not quite ready, but by the time we are going to have that in a couple of days from now, they will be ready. I don't know that we will need 2, but if you stick already ripened avocado in the fridge, it lasts an amazingly long time. So that is everything that I got today. Like I said, we had some staples, so I didn't have to buy everything. This is not all I buy, but this is a really good look into what I might get on a weekly basis. If you guys like this video and you want to see more grocery hauls and what I get on a different day or when I'm out of some other things, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Let me know. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!